Hello, back again to this course, Golang Microservices Full Course. Yesterday or in the previous video, we have already tried to fix all the bugs that have covered on an enhancement and code review for the monolith project. But now we are going to move to the microservice. This is the episode starting from monolith to microservice 1. Okay, so in this episode we will talk about monorepo and then API gateway or reverse proxy. We will transform our project directory to monorepo using Go workspace or go.work, and then create a new service called API gateway as a single entry point for all client requests, and implementing reverse proxy using Go standard library to forwarding the traffic from the gateway to the targeted microservices. So why we need an API gateway? When we split a monolith into microservices, each service will run on different ports. Maybe if you have already implemented the monolith, we are working or running on the 8080 port 8080, and then for example 8080 will have changed from the monolith to API gateway, and then when we call out, we create the out services with the 8081 and then wallet on 8082, and then in the following 8083, 8084, and etc. So that's will very bad for the mobile or for the front end client to memorize all that ports. So we will create API gateway in the 8080 port, and the gateway will forwarding or direct or reroute the request to the different service that we want, to the different service that we want, such as users or hours that register login or something, and then wallets, and then transaction, and then etc. Okay, so step 1, we migrate to Go workspace. So we will move the current monolith folder to API gateway and separate it into a workspace. But now I think I will not do that. I just want to create my territory, which is microservice. Okay, microservices. I want to go to microservice, and here I will go work in it, and then we have a Go work in here with the Go 1.26.4, which is my Go version, and then create a new folder, and then we should copy all monolith code to the new subfolder, right? If they try to do, but I think I will try with create mic directory, which is I want to share, and then API gateway, and then in here I think I will create with this one go mod. We have configured the database error logger or something. So I think I will copy. He want me to copy monolith code to the new subfolder, which is API gateway. Do we need this? Because this is too much. Yeah, for now I think no problem. Maybe we'll copy here. Okay, we have copy here in the monolith API gateway, and we have CMD and internal. And for shared, I think I will create this one, register the folder to workspace, which is GoWorks, use API gateway, this one. Okay, and then create a share module, which is we need to find the common code that use for every services, such as database connection, logger, error handling, and middleware. And we extract this one into share module share go module. This has consistency, which is change in one place will applies to all services, and maintainability with that no need to update the same code in 10 or in the all places, different places. And the stability, the share module can be tested independently. So for the structure, I think go mod, config, database, errors, logger, and error handler. I think I will create the folder in the shared, and then there share go mod, I will go mod init lah here, cd share go mod init, which is github.com/passcode/go wallet microservices shared. Okay, go mod tidy. Okay, oh match no package. Okay, no problem. This one go mod. Okay, go work.sum. I think this one should be okay. And example content of the share config.go is use get. Yeah, this is the config. Yeah, we have config, which is here. I think I don't need the DB migration for now, right? No problem. Here I think I will delete the docs DB, because DB is the migration. I don't need this one for now. And then reports, uploads, we doesn't need this. I will move to trash. And then for the config, we have already config, and I want to copy here. What is this error called quick fix go monolith no require model? What is this doc? Oh, sorry, no, I think I will put back here, because this is error. The docs need here, so I think this one. Okay, so first here, delete immediately, empty trash for now. And in the config, I want to copy this one here to the config, and it should change to microservices shared and logger, which is quick fix go get package. No, cannot. I think I need to copy this one, go get this one, go get the code.env, and then we have logger, right? But we don't have yet in here because it is error, so I need the logger. I copy the logger here, copy, to here, paste. Okay, in here logger, I think we need utils as well. So utils, I think here I copy the utils to here, paste. So in the logger, I think utils should be changed to microservices and then shared. And utils, in the utils we have okay, and then we should go get this one. Yeah, I think we have no error in here. We also go get this one assert. Do we have still error? This one should be microservices and then shared. Yeah, this one should be okay. On the config.test, yeah, microservices services shared logger. Okay, here I think should be okay, and we have the handler OTP logger. This one API gateway here, and go walk use shared. We need to copy go walk use shared. Yeah, I think go back to the directory, and in the go walk we have two, API gateway and share. Okay, we clear first, then we create a reverse proxy helper for the internal proxy.go. I think I don't want to copy in here, right? This should be different, so I will delete lah. I'm not sure this will be okay, so I will delete the API gateway, and the API gateway should be error now. Can be error because not contain a module. No problem, we will create this later. I want to copy the here, create the reverse proxy. Package internal. I create the internal, and then proxy proxy.go, and here I think I will copy. Okay, we don't have this UUID yet, so we API gateway, right? I think go mod init, which is go mod init. This is shared, but I want API gateway. Go get and go mod ID, and also for the shared, don't forget to go mod ID. Yeah, go mod ID. Okay, cd the back to the API gateway. Clear. This API gateway should be content internal, which is the proxy.go, and then we create a middleware, which is course middleware course.go internal. Move to the internal course.go. So here we will add this one. We go get Johnny, and then we implement the main.go. Here we create a cmd folder and main.go, and we copy here which is this one. I think I don't want this because we have shared module, right? So out service URL, this one should be not in here. Oh, good. Go mod id first. Go mod id clear, and this main.go I don't want. For example, yeah, we create an example first. env in here in the API gateway. .env.example here we delete, and we create a env.env, yeah, like this, and then we get the env, right? We don't want this one because we have a shared here the config, which is this one. I think I want to create here out service, and then here should be out service, yeah, out service like this, yeah, and here we just paste like this. And how to create, we import our service chat. Please import from config share. Okay, please import from config share. Yeah, cfg.load_config, it should be, and cfg.outService, yeah, this one should be good. Okay, like this. cfg dot wait, I think reject file. Yeah, I think this one, cfg.outConfig load config cfg c and share, and this one should be cfg out service url, user service url, and then here I think cfg transaction and payment service url, this one should be good. Main.go is the new work, override lah. Override should be okay. And we add a health checkpoint in the cmd.main.go. Do we have here? No, we don't have this one yet, so we create in the cmd. Okay, health checkpoint, healthy API gateway, and each microservice should have a check that verifies its critical dependencies. Pattern, this is wallet service health check, which is pinging the MySQL and Redis, yeah. Then we should API versioning, which is v2, new endpoint v2. Thing like this first, and then minimum 6 months overlap at header, Docker API. I want to create Docker file in here. Docker file, which is this one. Golang should be 126. Fine. Is this okay? And then yeah, should be production image. What is this? Yeah. 3 here's the updated document. Go first. No, there's two with this issue. Missing local dependencies. To solve this, the document should be designed. Go version is passive, but the latest Go release are in the. Is this typo or you want to use standard? Standard 26, man. Production image. My Golang version is 126.4, so this correct, right? Commode custom, I think, yeah. Checking Docker file initialize. Yes, since your Golang is match. Okay. This. Okay, right. Okay, and then this one build the test. Docker compose setup. Docker build out server. Okay, so my Golang is 1.26.4, so here is 126.4, yeah. Okay. For this is the production image and create we copy the dependency file, which is the commode and go sum, and then commode download, and then copy all source code and build the binary, which is go arc service cmd-main.go, right? And here we stage 2 is production image and run apk no cache and add ca certificates tz data, and then create non-root user for security and create binary builder stage, expose the 8080, and then service. Yeah, I think this one should be fine. I will try to build first, and then it should be here, Docker file. If I want to use this directory, I should change to the microservices folder, not in the API gateway folder. So I just do like this. Okay, I think my Docker is stopped. I will try to open, and then after that this one should be open. I want to stop the monolith, yeah. And then Docker build API gateway. I think API gateway is not found, so just like this. Okay, I'll allow. Yeah, I think stage 1 we need to check and go mod download. He working on that. Fail, yeah, I think process is not complete. Let me see the volume. Okay, microservice API gateway, the build is, I want to delete first. Wait, I think I want to go cdn in the microservices folder and just do like this. I got an error. What happened? I need to check first. Yeah, chat. Command L, yeah, to chat with the AI. Gemini. Okay, the config I have already done. Like this is the share one, and then I think it should be work. Transaction 1 2 3 4 5. I have updated the Docker file. The update, which is the copy, go work, and share an API gateway to work directory. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Everything okay. I want to try again. Still error, I think. Again, asking the AI again. Man, why is this mad? The error occurred because the bool context at the end of the was set. To fix this, make sure to use dot, the current directory, which is the microservices folder, instead of this. Okay. Should be fine then. Yeah, we will check just now. This is an error. Think I want to delete and delete. Not sure. This one we have the last one, which is the mail hook in use API gateway. Yeah, this one here. Why this in use? I'm not sure this one is in use. View build the Docker. Okay, the build was already done. We have the image here, and if we want to run, we should do this. Docker run. Error. This is about the handler, yeah, logger, invalid pointer. This is should be our code. The logger, I think we have correlation ID, save string, slog new JSON, init logger, slog new JSON. Why he going to up here slog logger, and then handler init logger, keep backward compatibility. No, I think no, recheck, no, skip. I just want to know why, and please don't change my code yet. I think if in our monolith I think in our monolith, right, do we have the code that init logger? Yeah, this one is init logger. I think this is the init logger. Yeah, correct. The root cause is nil because init logger never called. So what do you think? Should I add init logger in every service, or just init in the shared? Recommend I highly initially save default directly in the shared logger because preventing nil pointer panics and read the boilerplate. Yeah, you don't have to remember to write the logger init logger. Yeah. Okay, I think please go. Then tweet please. then do it place, yeah. So he will add the init logger auto initial backward compatibility, which is the existing parameterless init logger function is fully preserved, meaning you don't need to change any call in your existing. Okay, if log is not nil, return already initialized. Is it like this? Seeing what he is done right now, I want to try to duck run. I think still error. I will ask again. This is because rebuild the image. Okay, I need to rebuild the image. Okay, so we add the init logger here, and then add this one. If log is not nil, then return nil, yeah. Return no need to do again, and we will check here in the image. Oh, okay, already done the builds, and I want to try to run again, and then yeah. Okay, so I want to try with the health here, localhost 8080 health, API gateway status healthy. Okay, this should be fine. This one should be fine, and I think I will also use the Docker Compose setup here, so we no need to create one by one, to build one by one. I want to close, and I delete this one. I don't want to have a lot here. This one will make our data, our laptop or computer have a lot of size, yeah, a lot of the size one. What is this? Monolith MySQL. What is this? I'm not sure. This one I don't want to delete. I'm not sure, so I don't want to delete. The microservice I delete. No worries about that. I will delete. Yeah, the build one is already nothing. Where is the logger? What is this? I don't want to save yet. Okay, this one log, yeah. So yeah, we have the Docker file here. I want to create a Docker Compose .yml. In here, I think version, and then services, but we don't need the MySQL and then Redis yet, so no need this one yet, right? And then why this one is line 4 but spaces 2, spaces 4, no problem. And then using spaces, I think no problem if we use 4, because we have a 4 in our code. I think application service matters here. I just copy application service here. First is API gateway, then the volume and networks is here. Okay, so I think first I will create the MySQL data, and Redis is okay, because we have Redis last time, but I think I will need to check the password to be the same as this one. Yeah, MySQL 8.0, Golang MySQL, root password, this one should be root password, Golang ports 3306, Golang MySQL, and then for lib restart always, health check, networks, yeah, this one should be okay, networks. Redis, we have Redis 7 Alpine, Golang Redis, okay, always mail. Yeah, I think I need the mail hook here. Please add mail hook in here. Here. Wait. Please add mail hook here. Okay. Should be waiting. Then yeah, we have a mail hook here, and also Golang network. This should be restart always. Yep, I think we have done good. And then we docker compose up with testd. What is this? User the tribute version absolute, it will be ignored for the reason of avoid potential confusion. Depends invalid. Wait, what does this mean? What is this mean? I'm not sure. Depends on started. The error happens because the application service are depend on out service, but the service are not yet defined. Since the service are not okay, then I will comment first. Okay, and then like this. Let's fail to what happened. I think I need to check again with an AI for this docker compose. Okay, should be mail hook. What is this one? Okay, and the docker context is dot, only dot, and docker file is, yeah, this one is, yeah, should be like this. Okay, this one, because yeah, dot and then API gateway / docker file here. And I think we will wait first. We'll check here it has an image or not, built or not. Think microservice API gateway, and we in the CMD, right, we have the reverse proxy, which is proxy.reverse proxy. Proxy is from API gateway here. So if the proxy is like this, then okay, Golang MySQL Redis methods. Okay, config is already induced by the container. You have to remove or rename the container to be able to reuse that name. Here containers, I have monolith, which is Golang Redis. I think I will change the name for now, or I delete. I think I delete first. Yeah, I delete. Wait, the container, I think MySQL or this one should be mailhook MySQL microservice I will change the name to ms, which is microservice. Here also microservice, here microservice. Okay, I think I will try again. Start, and then we have this one. We have MySQL microservice co-wallet. Mailhawk also has microservice or not? Yeah, I think I need to up again. So microservice, this one localhost, I think I need to check again, and works fine. I will stop and refresh. Yeah, this one should be works, and restart again, refresh again. Yeah, healthy. Yes, I think I need to check in our proxy why this one deprecated. Why is deprecated? This is the modern way is using rewrite, so please change then. Okay, I think accept. Okay, we will docker compose update again. Docker compose up build again, sorry. So this will rebuild our project, and then I will wait. What happened? I think this started fine. We'll check. Yeah, healthy, still healthy. And when we try to create to auth /auth, yeah, maybe API v1 auth, maybe. Yeah, this page is not working because we are not serving the service yet, so stay tuned, and I will try to check out dash p. This one should be feature 0 API gateway git add commit dash m feature. Wait, I think generate first from here. Okay, and then publish, and I will merge this one and go to the master again, and then see you in the next video there. Thank you.